Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to use Signal private messenger app. Signal app is available on Google PlayStore, Apple App Store and for desktop users. If it's iPhone, first open App Store. On the search box, type Signal Messenger. This is Signal private messenger. Tap Get button. Download Signal Private Messenger on your iPhone or Android phone. When it's downloaded, tap Open. Take privacy with you, be yourself in every message. Tap Continue. Get the message. Notifications let you see when messages arrive and receive updates about new chat activity. Tap Enable Permissions. You can allow contacts and allow notifications. Now it's the time to enter your phone number to get started. Choose your country and enter your phone number. Then tap Next. It will verify your account with code. Here you can add your profile picture. Also you can add your first name and last name. So enter your name and tap Save button. The best part for Signal app is creating your PIN. You can create a PIN for safety. PINs keep your information stored with Signal encrypted, so only you can access it. Your profile settings and contacts will restore when you reinstall. You do not need your PIN to open the app. So create your own PIN or you can disable PIN. Enter new 4-digit PIN. Tap Next. Then re-enter same PIN. Also tap Next. That's it. Signal account created. So these are the steps to create new Signal account for Signal private messenger on iPhone and Android phone. Get started by messaging a friend. Some of your contacts are already on Signal, including the contacts from your phone. Tap pencil icon on top right for new message. Select your friend from contact, or you can create new group, or you can find by phone number, or you can invite friends to Signal. Using Signal app you can send messages, you can send images, stickers and lot. Also you can send disappearing messages. Watch my next video to learn more about Signal app. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.